Welcome back guys. And in Facebook, if you want to hide active now green button from messengers or when you are surfing on Facebook, what will you do? I'm going to cover in this video. So if you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. So not wasting much effort time, just go to the Facebook and here go 3 dots, go to the setting and privacy, go to the setting. Now go to the account and visibility, and here active status is there. Tap on here. So when you are active, your friends and connections can see when you are active and were recently active on this profile. You can see this info about them too. If you do not want to show, if you want to hide, just tap it off. Turn off active status. You won't be able to see when your friends and connection are active. This is vice versa also, means they will not able to see your status and you will not able to see their status. So if you want to turn off, just turn it off. Now they will not able to see, the green button will not come. So this is all what I wanted to tell you in this video, how you will turn off active status on Facebook. If you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.